Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Guys, the most awaited cigarette to hotels conglomerate ITC Limited quarter 2 results were out. ITC posted excellent quarter 2 results. ITC, the one of the India's foremost private sector companies, has presence in FMCG business, hotels, packaging, paperboards and specialty papers, agri and even IT business. In the past 1 month, ITC has given just 0.5% returns. That means it is available at the same price 1 month ago. If you see 1 year returns, ITC has given good returns of 44.38%. Guys, now let us quickly look upon the ITC quarter 2 results financial year 2022. ITC Limited has declared results on 27th October 2021. The meeting was commenced at 5:35 pm and it was concluded at 8 pm. Now first let us see the standalone quarter 2 results. Guys, all the values are in crores. Here you can see that the first column is September quarter, the second column is September quarter last year and the third column is June quarter. Here you can see that the gross revenue from sales of products and services has improved from 12,018 to 13,356 on year-on-year basis, and it also improved from 12,884 to 13,356 on quarterly basis. Now if you see the total income by adding the gross revenue and other incomes, it has improved by 11.9% on yearly basis and 6.3% on quarterly basis. If you see the expenses, the cost of materials increased and the purchases of stock in trade has been increased and the employee benefits expenses has been increased. So the total expenses has increased by 11.1% on year-on-year basis, but it has decreased 0.2% on quarterly basis. Guys, compared to the last year's quarter, the expenses has been increased a lot due to the increase in cost of the materials consumed and purchase of stock in trade and employees expenses. So if company cuts these expenses, so it can improve its profit margin. Guys, the net profit for the period is 12% up on yearly basis and 22.7% up on quarterly basis. Before going further, I would request you to watch my playlist of multi-bagger stocks, stock market for beginners and mutual funds. Also please follow us on Telegram channel. You can find important updates on daily basis. Also please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. Now let's see the consolidated quarter 2 results of ITC. The consolidated total income is improved by 11.5% on yearly basis and 4.2% on quarterly basis. The total expenses also increased a lot due to the increase in the cost of materials and the purchase of stock in trade. Expenses are increased by 11.9% on year-on-year basis and 0.3% on quarterly basis. If you see the net profit for the period, it is increased by 10.1% on yearly basis and 12.6% on quarterly basis. Even though there is a huge increment in expenses, ITC still managed to post excellent profit numbers. Profits were improved due to the swift recovery in cigarette volumes and sharp rebound in the hospitality segment on the back of normalization of coronavirus. And as the vacation season is also coming, we can expect further good results in the coming quarters. So guys, now let us analyze this stock technically by using charts. Here you can see that the stock has made a high of 260 and it has fallen to the levels of 230 and it is presently trading at the level of 238. And if you see its MACD, it is still looking bearish and the volumes are very low. And if you see its RSI, it is at 51.26 and it is looking slightly weak. So guys, these bumper results of ITC can trigger the stock and stock may rally in the coming days. I am expecting at least 15% returns from this present level. You can start buying the stock for long-term investment. The buy levels are 232, 216 and 200. You can keep the short-term targets as 247, 260 and 275. Friends, if you have any further doubts, please write in the commentary box and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A small disclaimer friends, levels and targets are only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before taking an investment decision.
If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, friends.